Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon snail. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our snail, we're going to begin up here and we're going to make a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down like this. You want to start right about here. We're going to make a line that's going to go up. It's going to come over and down just a little bit shorter than we did here. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and we're going to bring it all the way over to here with a nice long line. Next, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down, and instead of making it pointy, we're just going to curve the line to connect it. Now, starting right here, we're going to make a nice line that's going to go up and then down here to the tail. So we'll start right about here. It's going to come up, and it's going to come down to about here. Now, right inside of here, we want to put a little spiral. So to do this, you're going to start right about here. We're going to curve this around, and I'm going to go down, and I'm going to bring it up to about here. Now, starting in here, we want to add some eyes for our snail. I'll begin right here. We're going to make a circle for one eye, leave some space, and we'll make another circle for the other eye. And inside of here, we're going to add a black dot inside each one for the pupils. Right up here, we're going to make a line that's going to come straight across to start the top of the mouth. Next, draw a line that's going to go down and up like this for a smiley face. After that, just make a little sad face right in here. And if you want to, you can color this part in. Now up here we want to add the antennas. I'm going to begin here by making a line that's going to go up like this, and one that's going to come up like that. Right here we're going to add a circle for the top of the antenna, and we'll do the same thing over here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little snail. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.